I hit the like goal in the video on how to take apart your katana. Let's get it. Now, y'all already know. What did I say? Y'all get it to the like goal, I'm gonna drop how to clean your katana. Very simple video, very simple. But that's what this video is about to be, so hey, hope y'all boy enjoy, man. Hit this like and subscribe. 23 likes, like goal for the video. Let's get it. I couldn't get the Meguki, the wood parts, out of Rengoku's handle last video, if y'all remember. So, I'm not even gonna take this sword apart. The next sword I'm gonna take apart is gonna be my Sonami sword, cause the Habaki's loose, like how I tell y'all, but I gotta unwrap it and all that. So, with this one, I'm not gonna take this sword apart, but we just gonna, you know, just clean it. So, it's good cause I got the oil on it from last time I cleaned it. So, I'm really about to just show y'all how we about to do it. Let's get it. If y'all don't remember what was in the Hattori Hanzo box. Blade oil, right here. And then I got this blade oil. I got this off Amazon. All I typed in was Katana blade oil. And this is the first one that came up. 5 stars, good reviews, so I got it. Handy dandy rag. We got our, the Meguki Naki, the Megunaki, yeah. I don't have my paper with me, so these, I'm just trying to remember. I got the Megunaki. This is used to take out the tang. Well, not the tang, to take out the wood pieces. We got extra Meguki right here. And also, if I'm pronouncing anything wrong, please let me know down below in the comments. And we got our Uchiko. And we got an extra cloth in here, and we got extra Meguki right there. So, now, let's get to business. First things first. So, we got oil on the blade, right? So what we're going to do here is, I'm gonna need a towel or a paper towel, because it's gonna get a little messy. Un momento. I had to grab the paper towels to put under the blade, and I had to grab an extra paper towel. So what we're going to do here is, we're going to use the Uchiko. So basically with this is used to tap the sword, you feel me, and little like powder rocks come out, and it gets in this, basically it helps get the oil up, you feel me? So that's what we're about to do on each side, yeah. Y'all see, let's see, I'm trying to get it so y'all can see when the powder, y'all see? So you just tap going down. Just tap going down. I like to tap 2 times, 1 time going up, 1 time going down. Now, go to the other side, and you do the same thing. And this is going to cause the oil to stick to the powder. Yeah. Go. No more. So now that that's done, I'll put the Uchiko back in this little baggie. And now y'all see when y'all look on the blade, y'all see the little powder on the blade and all that. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is get the paper towel. Make sure you get like a soft paper towel, just soft material. Like you can get a washcloth, just don't wet it or none. But like you get soft material and just wipe off the oil / minerals, so the base, or the oil / rocks, because remember, when you tap it, it's basically just sticking to the oil. And yeah, so wipe it down. Do not do it like how I'm doing right now, because my hand is by where the blade's at. I just do this a lot, so as I know how far not to go, but do not try this. So basically, wipe from the back of the blade. You feel me? Wipe from the back of the blade. So always put on the back and go like that, so you don't hurt yourself. You feel me? Yeah. So now this katana is dry. This katana is dry. Has no oil on it, no nothing. Yeah. So what we're going to do now is so we're gonna put the uchiko back. And what we're going to do now is the blade oil. So I'm not going to use the one that came in the box just because I've been using my shoji one. I prefer this blade oil. It's realistically the same thing, but I just prefer that one. So what we're going to do here is what I do: fold the towel one time, boom, open it. And you don't need a lot. You do not need a lot. I'm trying to tell you, you do not need a lot. I'm gonna show y'all how much y'all need right now. Watch this drop. This is how much you need. Watch this drop. You see that? Right there, boom. Not a lot, not a lot. See, you do not need a lot. I seen, and you just go on the blade, just wipe. Just wipe. You feel me? You just wipe it down. And it's crazy because y'all probably thinking that wasn't a lot of oil replay. There's oil on this blade. It was enough oil. When I say you don't need a lot of oil, you do not need that much. You just need enough that's gonna cover the whole sword for like 2 wipes. You feel me? If you can get 2 wipes on it and the oil's all over the blade, you Gucci. But people got different opinions on that. But that's how I feel about it, and that's what I've been doing with all my swords. So I can't find the spot right now, so we're gonna put another little spot. That's happened sometimes. Right there. So we already got this. So we already got this side of the blade right here. We just got to do this side. That's it. Just wipe. So basically now you're just wiping down a dry sword since you got all the oil and all that up with the uchiko. There we go. There we go. Wipe one more time on this side. There we go. And now you have a cleaned, oiled up katana. You feel me? It's clean, got oil, got a nice coat on it. I ain't gonna lie, since I wiped it like, I'll say like 3-4 times, it's a good coat of oil, and yeah. But I don't use my Rengoku sword, so this oil is gonna last it for a month. You feel me? But this is what I'll tell y'all. If y'all like how I use my swords a lot, you feel me? Y'all see that. But just like, since I use them a lot, I clean my swords a lot, you feel me? So after every time I do a video, when I get home, the first thing I do is clean my sword. Before I do anything else, I clean my sword. So if you're cutting stuff constantly, then I would say it's best to clean your sword once a week. If you're using one specific sword, yeah, clean it once a week. And yeah, that's really it. But if you barely use your sword's just there to have on the wall or just to look at, you feel me? Then once a month, once every 2 months, realistically just once a month, to be honest. Just, you could do that at the beginning of the month. Go grab the sword, get the maintenance kit, get the uchiko, all that, clean it, boop, 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 put the powder on it, wipe down the powdered oil off. After that, get the blade oil, get a rag, wipe it down, and boom. You just cleaned your sword, you feel me? So yeah, I hope y'all boys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. I love Rengoku's katana. And yeah, I just love this katana. I'm gonna be using it again in the video soon, but hope y'all boys enjoyed this video, man. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. More videos gonna be coming soon. Remember, like goal 23 likes, and yeah, peace.